Hey guys, so I'm just going to show you guys how I deep condition my dry, low porosity, kind of new natural hair. So I always separate it into 4 big sections, and then I take that, like each section, and I separate it into smaller sections. I'll go in and spray my hair with some warm water, and then I just work that throughout my hair. And then I take my favorite, this is my favorite deep conditioning mask at the moment, the Jamaican black castor oil mask. Then I take some castor oil and I mix them together. And then, and I always put like a nice amount of oil just because my hair is so dry. And I just, just smooth it onto my hair, and I kind of finger detangle as I go just to get out like any bigger like kinks and tangles in my hair until it's fairly detangled like how you see here. Then I go in with my favorite brush ever. This is I think it's called the Felicia Detangler brush. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, it's my favorite brush ever. It glides through my hair. I used to be like a big fan of my Denman brush, but ever since I bought this, like, oh my gosh, this is the only brush that I use on my hair. It doesn't pull or anything. It just makes my hair like super manageable. So after my hair is nicely detangled and the product is applied all the way through, I just twist it up and out of the way. And then I move on to the next section. And it always takes me like a super long time to do my hair. But I just kind of do the same process all the way throughout my hair. You can see that playlist was starting to hit. So one side is done. Now I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other side. And there we go. Now the key to deep conditioning low porosity hair is using heat. Now I used to use a steamer, but it just wasn't getting the job done, so I invested in this like thermal cap type of thing, and you just attach your blow dryer to it and turn it on, and it just like gets like all the heat and stuff to your hair, so it can really help the deep conditioners penetrate into the hair. And I always do it. I might leave it on my hair for like maybe 40 minutes to an hour, and I really see a difference in my hair. So if you're either new to having natural hair, or you feel like your hair just doesn't take moisture, or you have low porosity hair, this might be something that you want to start incorporating into your hair regimen. So yeah. See you guys in the next video.